deep within Brazil's Amazon rainforest lies a solar-powered school, bringing light and hope to indigenous children, operating independently of unreliable grid connections thanks to rooftop solar panels. Students learn math, science, and cultural heritage under LED bulbs powered by sunlight, breaking cycles of poverty and illiteracy through sustainable education practices. Teachers emphasize environmental stewardship, teaching kids how to maintain the system themselves, ensuring long-term sustainability and community involvement. During evenings, surplus energy illuminates communal spaces, fostering community engagement and proving that clean energy can transform lives far beyond urban centers. This solar school doesn't just educate, it empowers, showcasing how renewable energy solutions can uplift marginalized communities and bridge gaps in access to education and resources.